Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Install Y Connect and grant Bluetooth and location access so the app can detect the Aerox. This is essential. Next, charge your phone above 20% and stand within a couple meters of the scooter. Once done, turn the scooter ignition to on and keep the key nearby. Create or sign into your Yamaha account and have the VIN ready to register the vehicle. These steps let the app discover the Aerox and move straight into pairing without delay. You now pair the phone to the Aerox, open Y Connect, tap Add Vehicle, and enter the VIN exactly. Then follow the on-screen pairing code, type it into the scooter display or confirm the code when the app prompts. Make sure to accept any Bluetooth pairing requests. Once paired, enable telemetry, ride logs, and push notifications so the app receives speed, range, and status. This step synchronizes trip data and fault codes. It's what lets you monitor the scooter remotely and receive useful alerts. You finish by confirming the connection. Check live data like speed, fuel or battery, maintenance reminders, and trip history to ensure sync works. Then use remote functions, lock, unlock, and the locator, plus accept firmware updates when the app prompts. These keep systems current. If something goes wrong, try one-key troubleshooting move. Restart the app, toggle Bluetooth off/on, and reboot the scooter. If that fails, re-register the vehicle. This sequence resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.